Today we're going to replace a toilet supply valve. I'll go ahead and loosen up the supply line. These flexible supply lines usually come off pretty easily, so I did not back up the valve when I loosened this up. Next, I'm going to loosen up the valve. I'm going to put my channel locks directly on the 1/2 inch chrome plated brass pipe. I'm not concerned about the chrome plating on the pipe. I am concerned about making sure that pipe doesn't move, so we don't create a leak inside the wall where we can't see it and have to return to fix that. So I'm not concerned about the chrome plating. This is a 1/2 inch pipe thread supply valve, and I got the exact replacement, a brass craft valve from the home center. Next, I'm going to clean the pipe threads with my wire wheel. I made that wire wheel from a 1/2 inch copper fittings cleaner. So once you do this, once you make this wire wheel, you don't want to use it to clean 1/2 inch copper pipes anymore, 1/2 inch fittings. You don't want to put that into a drill, clean a copper fitting, and have that, tear your skin off or anything. Next, I'm going to apply the Teflon tape. As usual, we do a nice job putting that on. So once that happens, there's no coming back from that. Once your Teflon tape isn't flat anymore, you're beat. You gotta start over. I'll go ahead and add a little bit more Teflon tape to the fitting, to the threads. Usually I put too much Teflon tape on. Makes me feel better about sealing up that pipe so it doesn't leak. Next, we'll go ahead and put on the supply valve. Again, it's very important to not let that pipe move inside that wall, because we don't know if them threads are brittle inside there, or the pipe note is very old. Any kind of movement in there could create a small leak. So we'll tighten up this valve. Usually when you're replacing these valves, you're in a very tight spot. This one here, we're up against the bathtub. So the work area is a little bit tight to work in. So we'll go ahead and finish up tightening the valve up. And then reconnect our supply line. When I tighten these supply lines up, what I will do is I'll tighten them up by hand to begin with. And then I'll hold the supply line and tighten it up just a little bit more to make sure that seals up. I don't tighten them up to the point where they don't turn anymore. So we get to the point where I'll hold the line so it doesn't spin. Now if your supply line starts to spin, you're probably pretty close to making sure that's sealed up. So at this point, I will turn the water back on and check for leaks